Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the snipping tool in Windows 11, the easiest way to take screenshots like a pro. Whether you want a quick grab of your screen, a custom shape, or even an entire window, I've got you covered. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be a screenshot master. Opening the snipping tool. First, let's open the snipping tool. Simply search for snipping tool in the Windows search bar and click to launch it. This tool gives you quick access to all your screenshot options in one place. 4 capture modes. Once it's open, you'll see 4 capture modes. Rectangular mode. This is the default. Just drag your mouse to select the area you want. Window mode. Click New. Then select any window to capture it entirely. Perfect for grabbing an app or browser window. Full screen mode. Captures everything on all your monitors in one shot. Great for multi-screen setups. Freeform mode. Draw a custom shape around any area you want. This is handy when you don't need a perfect rectangle. Editing and saving. After taking a screenshot, you can copy it with Ctrl+C and paste it anywhere with Ctrl+Y. To save it, right-click and select Save As to choose the location and file name. If you want to capture menus or pop-ups, use the 3-second delay feature to prepare your screen before the screenshot is taken. Tool settings. In the settings, you can enable autosave to the screenshots folder to keep everything organized, or turn it off if you want to avoid clutter. You can also customize the appearance, add borders, pick border colors, adjust HDR, and set your preferred default behavior when opening the tool. And that's it. With these tips, using the snipping tool in Windows 11 is super simple and efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.